I will be presenting our speech-to-text recognition application. We did implement it to our Ruby Rails application, so we can have access to the application by going to in the footer. Uh, So as you can see right now, those are all the options that we have if we need to make some changes. We need to enter our subscription key. The region will be West US. The language will be English, and we'll change from English to French just to make an example. So right now I'm gonna choose one of the scenarios that we have in English. And then we can choose simple or detail, and we can start translate the translation. As you can see, we have the single shot or the continuous one. I will use the continuation one. This should be fast. There you go, it's finished. So as we can see, uh, this this is the real text. We can see that it's exactly the same thing. So the translation went very well. It's almost exactly the same thing. So the application indeed translate our audio file into a text in English. So right now I'm gonna make an example with the French scenario. Change the language to French. There you go. And we're gonna start it. As we can see, the same thing happens. So as we can see there, you translate the whole thing. Yes, we can see they translate the whole thing, and everything seems to be okay as you will read in our report. The only thing that is the mistake that he got in French, it's we play some French with an accent from Quebec, so it didn't took it. But for the rest, it's almost more than 80% it's there. So that's it for me.
Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you the speaker recognition services from Azure Cognitive Service. I'm not gonna be explaining everything in detail and showing you because there's a lot to cover and I don't have much time. So first of all, okay, for it to work, we first need to set profiles and enroll voice to those profiles so we can train them to recognize people. I have got already some profile created. Got 3 different profile in English, one for Ken, one for me, and one for Anthony. And yeah, let's go try it out. So here in the voice identification, we just need to first set which profile we need to check against in the parameter. And also we need our key to the services in the header. In the body, we're gonna add the audio file we're gonna check. So let's select one. We have both in French and English, so let's pick number 4 and let's try it out. First response we got is to say that the task is gonna be completed and the return address is here. So we just get another get request to that address to get our result. So let's check that out. So yeah, the process identified one speaker in the file. So it's limited to only one, and probably the one it identified the most or is the most relevant in the case. So yeah, that was the speaker recognition. Thank you, and see you next week.
Thanks.